Good morning, guys! It's Sunday and I don't think magme-makeup ako today. Yeah, siguro hindi na ako magme-makeup. Siguro I will be wearing a hat and then yeah, I'm just wearing this t-shirt that I got from Cotton On and then leggings from Tarjay. I'm having my coffee and Skyflakes. Sedan. Morning pa ba? Yeah, morning pa. Wala pang 12. 10 to 12. And Sedan naliligo. Kasi we will go shopping today. Shopping. Pupunta kami sa mall. We will buy like stuff for the house. So, we will do that. Nihintay ko lang na matapos Sedan. Kakapunta pa lang niya sa para maligo. So, siguro mga 15 minutes ready na yon. And I have laundry as well. Second load ko na yun. Ngayon, yesterday hindi kami nanood kami ng footy yesterday. Naka-uwi kami mga 10:30 na, almost 11 na. Siguro yun. So, hindi kami nakapag-laundry kahapon. But that's alright. Bibili kami ngayon ng extra towels. Tapos, mga bedsheet. Ganon. Isang lang na bedsheet. Ayoko ng sobrang dami kasi hindi naman namin ginagamit like all the time. Like, you know, I replace the sheets once a week. So, sometimes nga twice a week. I mean, no. Sometimes once in 2 weeks. Anyway, tatapusin ko lang to. And I'll see you guys later. OOTD! I'm wearing this hat that I got from Zafo. This faux leather jacket from Target. Again, napakita ko na sa inyo yung top ko. And then leggings. And then I will be wearing, I'm not sure yet. Maybe my white sneakers. So, and then sabi ko kanina hindi ako magme-makeup. Kaya lang hinintay namin na matapos yung laundry. Meron kaming time. Hindi pa rin siya tapos hanggang ngayon. Still going. Oh, it says 2 minutes. 2 minutes really, that's like 5 minutes later. So, I have on my lips the Melted Matte liquid lipstick from Too Faced. The shade is Queen Bee. And my blush is Too Faced as well. Yung Sweethearts blush. Flush blush palette. And babe, are you gonna wear your hoodie? Right there?
No.
Oh, it's a bit chilly outside.
Okay.
Look at me, babe. I look like a gangster.
You look good.
I look good?
You look good.
Thank you. Can you take a picture of me outside?
Okay.
Thank you. I'm trying to call my fan bam, you guys, and no one's answering yet. Wala pa sigurong gising. 12:18 na ng hapon pero walang sumasagot sa aking walang sumasagot sa aking video chat. Wait, tapos na yung laundry. Isasampay ko lang siya, guys. Bye. We are here sa Marion kami, guys. Yung malaking shopping center. Babe, do you know that this is our first shopping together as husband and wife?
I want you to look into this.
You don't care. He said, I don't give a shh. Of course you do.
So I think that's a bigger issue than you probably understand.
Westfield Shopping Town.
Check the map, if you wouldn't mind.
So we're gonna buy towels, bed, sheet. Hello, it's raining, babe. Patay na. Kanina pa ulan ng ulan eh. Pero yeah, it's raining. Can you say? Can you say? Punta kami din sa loob. Meron din silang Meyer dito. Hala, it's raining, babe. Lumakas yung ulan, guys. Tingnan nyo. Lumakas ang ulan. Let's park. Mahirap maghanap ng parking dito. It's busy. It is. Tapos umuulan pa. Vacant, babe. Dito kami sa JB Hi-Fi. I'm thinking of buying Dan this one. Yeah?
Don't give me anything, babe.
No, but I want to buy you a tablet.
That's okay.
Do you like this?
Alright.
Do you want Sige, that one? Or let's keep looking. How about a small tablet? Like, how about this one, babe? Ooh. Wow. Look how fancy. Let's look for more tablets. Dan is hungry, so maghahanap kami ng makakain. What do you feel like?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Hala, sushi. No, not sushi. We'll see. We're getting food here. Ano to? Red back char grill. Yum. Pina-try nila kami nito. Sarap. Very good, yeah. Thank you. Gusto ko kunin to. Tapos yung chicken and then rice. Yummers! You got Aussie steak, chicken, and rice, babe?
Yeah.
Aussie steak, and then peach iced tea. Kain! Yeah, that's perfect. I mean, that size, but guys, $600 for that.
For a pot.
For a freaking pot. Naghanap kami ng medium size na pot. Kasi meron kaming large, meron kaming small, wala kaming medium. But no, not 600. Did you fart?
No, but it stinks.
Yeah, I can smell it. I didn't fart.
Do look at bed stuff instead.
No, we need a pot though. So we need to get one. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Look at this. $350. And then we will buy a bed sheet as well. It's right here. Just right across the pot area right there. Let's go. Because I like that one because it's not too deep.
This one's 70.
70. And then this one is 40.
40.
Go for the 70, babe.
How many liters?
Does it matter? How many liters?
It does. It tells you the size of it.
Okay. Babe, look at the camera. It's on. You want that? My battery's dying as well.
Did you bring another battery?
Yep, I did.
You're cool, baby. Which one?
I like the 71. But we'll see if we can find something cheaper. Like, cheaper. 70. Mahal, no? Mahal ba? Pero we needed it.
You won't get cheaper.
But we need it.
That's the cheaper option. These are the cheap.
Yung mas mura, mas malaki.
What do we use it to cook?
It's taller. I can't really say now what we use it for. But I just...
I know we use
that's
it.
99!
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're lying there.
They're lying to us. They're lying to us. It is 60% off, yours.
Out of my way, shorty.
Mini. We will choose the bed sheet. Yours. Last time si Dan yung pumili. Tsaka. Ngayon ako. Ako ang pipili. Dito kami sa Big W. Naghanap ng towel. Why do you choose here then?
You got the voucher for it, that's why.
Tsaka ng towel dito, guys. Well, they have more. We can choose the more expensive one. Maybe it's gonna be... This one doesn't feel bad at all. 25. Yeah. We're looking for sheet set. Ula! Babe, from 25 to 10. That's not bad at all. But I don't like the print. We need something simple and plain. Walang print. Ito mga walang print pero tsaka naman yung color. Yung binili namin parang I think this will match. Yung binili namin parang ganito siya. Meron siyang fitted sheet, pillowcase, nuts. Ano yung amin eh? What do you call that? Medium. Ito, single. Wait. Yeah, single bed. Twin! No, queen bed. Queen bed, not medium. Sige, babe. This guy.
What do you say we need?
I don't know. I told you we need hand towels, but you don't think we need it. Okay, we're looking for yung hiniram niya sa mama niya, yung lalagyan ng drinks to keep it cold. Where do you think that's?
Around here, babe.
Around here? Around here? No, that's nice. Tablecloth. We don't need that. Naghanap kami ng mga chocolate para sa mga bata. So you want this one? Maltesers. I like Maltesers.
I'll get back to the same.
The same? Okay. Why is that one? Oh, it's only $6.75 now.
These cost $1 each normally, and then you got that. That's just a cheap cost. I don't like that.
Oh, okay.
Please proceed to register 7.
Kinder!
I ended up playing Easter.
This is Easter egg. This one? Oh, they have heaps of options here, babe. Look it. They have that. Just get 2 different colors. Yeah. Bibilhin ka to because gusto ko na mag-Kinder Surprise. And then there's one right here, babe. That's a really cute backpack. So what color?
They're all gonna be. You get that already the same.
The same? Doesn't have to be the same, just different colors.
Oh, you got white, right?
Yeah, white and blue. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Get that and then get white for Ava. We're done shopping. We will go have dinner. And bumili kami nito. Diba maliit yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina? Pinalitan ko siya ng malaki. So meron siyang... Bumili din kami ng 2 nito para sa mga pamangkin ni Dan. Pambabae at panglalaki. And I'll have some right now. Doon magdi-dinner kami. Hello, babe! Masarap kasi yung Kinder chocolate kasi kahit na hindi ako ganun kamahilig sa chocolate, Kinder, I don't mind. Okay, I'll have some. I'm not sure if you can see me kasi hindi ko makita yung yung flip screen. Pero, I'm gonna open the Kinder Egg. Hello, babe! I'll give this to Maddie. Look how cute. So, meron tayong Barbie. Ganito lang kalaki ng chocolate yung kinain ko kasi. Kakain pa kami ng dinner! Nice! Ganito siya, guys. So, diba? Wait, tignan natin. Naghanap sila ng kung saan kami kakain. Na malapit lang dito. Kasi ang layo ng Marian sa bahay. Hello, babe. Maddie will like this. It's a Barbie.
Do you want her to put together, babe? Keep it all in there.
Okay.
Yeah, she'll have fun putting it together.
Okay, did you find one? Okay. Wait, I'll put it back. Don't move because my camera is on the dashboard. I'll give this to Mari. Mari! Mari! Mari!
Clearances are going to be huge. Stop talking about
Ay, hala. The letter, babe.
clearances Carlton's way.
Piper! We are home! Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga binili namin. Yung iba parang nakita niyo na ata. Hello. Makain na naman chocolate itong taong ite. We got this. Oh, I want to put this on now. No. The sheets. I will do it. I don't need your help.
Next week.
What?
Next week.
Next week? I'm washing the sheets now.
Isn't that washing machine at the moment?
No, but I'm washing it. I will wash it.
Yeah.
What? Why is it bothering you? I'm doing it, not you. What the heck? 2 Kinder Eggs para sa mga pamangkin niya. And then we got pillow protector. White. So ito guys, sheet lang siya. Hindi siya yung fitted sheet lang siya. Hindi siya yung quilt cover. Hindi din siya yung, you know, basta ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And then ito para din sa mga pamangkin ni Dan. So meron sila nito para kay babae at kay lalaki. Got toothpaste because we need it. Lotion kasi naubusan na ako ng lotion. And then weed killer. Pang spray to sa mga weeds para mamatay sila. That's from Big W. And nakapatong kayo sa present na ibibigay ni Dan para sa pamangkin din yung isa. Yung pinaka-young. And then this one is from Big W as well. Plush blanket. Kasi magwi-winter na guys. Actually, hindi pa naman masyado. It's fall, but it's starting to get real cold. Like today, it's cold and it's raining outside. So this is gonna be good. Babe, catch! What happened? Oh, that's yesterday. Oh my gosh. Maraming nag-away kahapon sa sa showdown ng Crows at saka Adelaide, Port Adelaide. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit sila nag-aaway. Ha! Pacman! I didn't even know that. When?
June, July.
Ah, okay. I thought it's tonight. It says fight night. Pacman at saka yung isa. Is he Australian? The other guy?
Yeah.
Ooh. Is he good, babe?
No better.
Babe, catch. Ready? I don't wanna. Good job, babe. Ito yung suot ko na hat kanina na merong, what does it say? Love more, worry less, all cheer up. Hala, Pacman. And then, nagpunta ako sa temp and bumili ako nitong skirt. Extra small siya. Ganyan. Kasang, ay, ano ba yan? Kasya siya sa akin. I like it. It's blue. And then, I got black pants as well. Kasya siya sa akin. So, perfect. Itong dalawang to on sale. So, this one, from $30, $15 na lang siya. And then, this skirt from $10, $5 na lang. Perfect. And then, ito yung binili namin sa Harry scarf na quilt cover at saka pillowcases. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Ako yung pumili this time. I like it. Ilalagay ko na siya today. Excited na ako. Last thing is the pot. We actually went for the one na si Dan yung pumili. Ito. Kasi again, meron kaming large, meron kaming small, wala kaming medium. So, ito yung medium namin. And that's that. And then, yun na lang yun. Lalagay ko to sa fridge. Itong mga chocolates na to. Babe, I'll put this in the fridge as well. The bunny.
Yeah, put them all in the fridge next time.
Okay. Kararating lang namin na bahay. Miss! Online, Smakel?
Oh, ganito na
Si Miss. I'm vlogging. Oh, do you have shorts on? Ah. Si Dan. Asa mo ka, babe?
Hello.
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 Eating burger. Asa Smakel? Pumili kami ng pasta. Naan naman si Papa, diba? Alam mo, mamatay na yung camera ko. Guys, katapos ko i-edit yung, hindi siya kasi tapos na tapos talaga, pero natapos ko na ng konti yung announcement namin na we got married. And I just wanna say good night. I will close this vlog kasi mamamatay na yung ko. Maubos na yung memory card ko. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Maubos na yung memory card ko. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night, babe. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.